Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue again our third chapter, that is square and square roots. In previous classes, previous video already we have learned about that how we should find out that square of a number. Yes, so whenever we are multiplying that same number, that number with then we can getting that one perfect square numbers. But students, today we are going to discuss about that square of two-digit numbers by easy methods, by a shortcut methods. There are one technique methods we can follow today, and by easily we can get the square numbers. Okay, so how we should do that? There are so many shortcut methods are there. One is column methods, diagonal methods, okay, and observation methods. So today we are going to discuss about that what is the column methods. Okay students, so how that we should find out that square of a number by using column methods. Students, suppose I will write one two-digit number. Suppose x and y. X is one digit and y is one digit. This is two-digit number. Okay, so we will take that I have written that one example 38. So what is the value of x? If xy is one two-digit number, then x is equal to 3, y is equal to 8. Yes, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 8. Very good. So now what I will do, according to that one formula is there, a plus b whole square formula, right? X plus y whole square. This formula which you have to use. X square plus 2xy plus y square. This is one formula, friends. You should remember also this. By using this formula, we should find out the square of the two-digit number. Okay. So now put that values. X value how much, friends? 3 plus y value 8. 8 whole square. Okay. Is equal to x means how much, friends? 3 square plus 2 into x value 3 into y value 8 plus y value means 8 whole square. Did you understand about this? I substituted the value of x and y here in this equation. You should see here x plus y whole square. This formula, this is your formula. How you should write it, you cannot don't ask. This is your formula. Remember. After that I will explain also. A plus b whole square. That means x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the one formula, and we have to substitute x value and y value in this equation. You should put here x plus y. X means how much? 3. Y means 8. Whole square is equal to x means 3 square plus 2 into x. X means 3. Y means 8 plus y square means 8 square. Now we should find out that value. 9 plus 48 plus 64. Okay students. Now up to here you have understand. Now I have written already like the same things only here. 9 plus 48 plus 64. So what is the column method? So that means friends, you should make 3 columns. Columns method means you should make it 3 columns. Here I will make it 3 columns. First column, second column. This is 1, 2, 3 columns. Okay. And a first column. What is that first number? The x square. You should write here first column that x square. Here write 2xy. Here write y square. Okay. And what are the values? You should write down also. First value how much x square? How much came? 9. Second value 48. Third value 64. Are you clear, friends? So observe, friends. 9, 48, 64. Now what you have to do? Here only single digit should stay. That means 4 should stay here, and this 6 will come here. Did you understand? First of all, I square numbers I have written this value written, and these 3 columns I represented here. Now check. 4 you should keep as usual here in place, and the 6 will come to here. You add here 6. What that will come? 8, 6, 14. 4 carry 1, 5. So unit place to round keep, this place to round keep, and this 5 you bring here. You add the 5 here. What will come? Will come 14. Did you understand, students? Whatever the number we got, I have written here, and that unit place to that first digit to right side digit I rounded kept, and this digit I brought to second place, second column, and I added here 8, 6, 14, carry 1, 4, 5. So next this place, right side place round kept, and this I brought here 5 I added 14. So now what did that answer came? Now we can write it. How much it is there, friends? 11 square is equal to, you have to do this. What that answer came? Sorry. So this is how much came, friends? 1 4 1 4. This is 4, here 4. That means see, actually what we have taken the number? We have taken that number. What is that? 38. So 38 square. Actually we have taken that 38 square. So 38 square is equal to, don't think 3 plus 8 11 square. 38 square is equal to, what you have to write it? 1 4, here 4 and 4. This is our answer. Did you understand, friends? So 38 square you will get 1444. If you will check also, 38 into 38, 8 8 is 64, 8 3 is 24, 30, 3 8 is 24, 2, 3 3 is 9, 2, 11, 4 4 4 4. So we got this answer. Are you clear, friends? One more example you can take also, friends. Example 2 we can take, friends. 35 whole square by column method. By column method. So what you have to do, friends? First of all, what is that? Now this square plus this formula we have to do. 3 plus 5 whole square is equal to 3 square plus 2 into 3 into 5 plus 5 square. A square plus 2ab plus b square formula is equal to 9 plus 30 plus 25. Okay. Now column methods you have to use. Make it column. This is x square. This is 2xy. This is y square. Okay. So put that value 9, 30 and 25. So what you have to do? First value you have to make it round, and this 2 bring here 2, 32. Here this is round. This will come to here 3 will add 12. So what is that answer came, friends? 35 square is equal to 12. This number total and this rounded numbers 2 and 5. This is the answer. Okay. If you check also, you will get that answer. One more example also you can take, friends. You will get that clarification. Example 3 you can take. And 75 square by using column methods. Okay. So what you have to do, friends? Solution. First of all, we have to do 75 square. Yes or no? Okay. How much you have to find out? So for that, what you have written here? X is equal to how much? 7. Y is equal to how much, friends? 5. So 7 plus 5 whole square is equal to, what will I do? 7 square plus 2 into 7 into 5 plus 5 square is equal to 49 plus 70 plus 25. Now we have to use the column methods. This is not in video. This is x square, 2xy, y square. This is our x, y, 2xy, here y square. So we can write 49, 70, 25. So what you will do first, friends? That doing after values, you will right side that numbers, you round keep, and this 2 bring here, add 2, 72. This 2 round keep, bring to 7 here, add 2, 56. So what is that got answer? This rounded value you write as usual, 56, 2 and 5. So 75 whole square is equal to 56 2, 5. This is are called as shortcut methods for the column methods. Okay students, so next we will study about that what is the observation method in the next video. Thank you.